What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to give you more examples regarding rationalizing a one-term denominator from square root part. This is practice number 3. First example is square root of 3 over 20 and we want to rationalize it. The answer is root 3 divided by root 20, and then it's going to be root 3 divided by 20 is 4 times 5, root 4 times root 5. It's going to be root 3 divided by root 4 is 2. It's going to be 2 root 5 times root 5 divided by root 5. 5 times 3 is going to be 15. 2 times root 5 is going to be 10. Next example is root 4 divided by 27. Answer is root 4 divided by root 9 times root 3, which is going to be 2 divided by 3 root 3, 2 divided by 3 root 3, and we multiply and divide it by root 3. So it's going to be 2 root 3 divided by 3 times 3, which is 9. Next example is root 7 divided by 40. Answer is root 7 divided by root 40. Root 7 divided by 40 is 4 times 10. So it's going to be root 7 divided by 2 root 10. Then we multiply and divide it by root 10. It will be root 70 divided by 2 times root 10, which is going to be 20. So root 70 divided by 20. Next example. Root 8 divided by 45. Answer is root 8 divided by root 45, which is going to be root 2 times root 4. And here we have root 9 times root 5, which is going to be 2 root 2 divided by 3 root 5. And then we need to rationalize it. When we want to rationalize it, we need to divide, multiply and divide it by square root of 5. So this is going to be 2 root 10 divided by 3 root 5 times root 5. So it's going to be 2 root 10 divided by 15. Next example is square root of 19 divided by 175. Answer is root 19 divided by 175 is 25 times 7. So it's going to be root 7 times root 25. It's going to be root 19 divided by root 25 is 5. So it's going to be 5 root 7. And then we multiply and divide it by root 7. So root 19 times root 7 is going to be 70 times 70 plus 63 is going to be 133 divided by 5 times root 7 is going to be 5 times 7 is going to be 35. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.